What's the statement? Shiraz and Umar invest money in a business. Shiraz gets whole 7 by 11 share and Umar gets whole 10 by 11 share of the profit. So what you will have to find? The first statement is whose share is more, and the second one is how much. Okay, so what we have to do and how we can solve this question? Firstly, you will have to check what's the amount of Shiraz share and what's the amount of Umar's share in business. Okay, the after making the statement, you will go for the part A, whose share is more. For finding this whose share is more, you have to students, you will have to find whose share is more. So how can you calculate the more share, whether it's Shiraz shares or Umar's share? Please look at the fraction. One is 7 by 11 and the other is 10 by 11. So I hope you will come to know that whose share is more. Okay, so let's go for how much. How much, it means that you have to calculate the share which is more, whether it's Shiraz shares and whether it's Umar's shares, whatever the share is, you have to find its you have to calculate its amount, or the answer should be in your fractions, obviously, because the statement is given in your fraction. So you will subtract these both fractions. You have to subtract your smaller fraction from the bigger fraction and you will got your answers. I hope I have cleared all the points that is to know this question. If still you people have any problem regarding this question, you can take help from my PDF that I am going to share it with you, inshallah. Okay, look at the third statement. A painter paints whole 7 by 13 parts of the wall in one day and whole 3 by 10 parts of the wall on the second day, and you will have to find how much wall does he paint in 2 days, and the other thing is how much more does he paint on the first day. Okay, let's go for the statement. Try to make your own statement. First statement you can make from the first sentence and second statement from the second sentence. Painter paints wall in one day 7 by 13 and he is painting wall on the second day 3 by 13, and you are going to find how much wall does he paints in 2 days. Actually what he wants to find in question number A, how much wall does he paint in 2 days. Like you people are going to calculate the sum of 2 days, total number of paints that he is painting the wall in both days. So that means that you have to calculate these both fraction and you'll get your required answer. Okay, let's go for the part B. How much more does he paint on the first day? On the first day, isn't look like this question your previous questions, part B, how much, and there is again how much. So you people can calculate this part with the help of the previous part of question number 2, part B.